Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So let's continue the segment of our discussion in the management accounting. So today we will be discussing ratios. Okay, so let me share now. So profitability ratio. Let's talk about it. So what is a profitability ratio? So these are the ratio that used by the decision maker to assess the about the financing affairs of the company. So profitability ratio, from the words profit, no? So ratio measures a company's ability to generate profits from its sales, assets, and equities. So we have number one, gross margin. Gross margin ratio, uh, by formula, that is a measure of gross profit over the sales. Example, Apple profit is 122,000 million. Okay, so uh, sales is 365 million. So the gross margin ratio is taking that one, gross profit divided by sales times 100%. So 33.4%. That means okay. uh, that's around one third. No? So if it's below one, so that's undoubted. So that's a report. Now let's have operating margin ratio. What is this ratio? It is a measure, no? Of operating income with the sales. Example, operating income is 108, so budget for the year. And then the sales is 365. So the operating income margin ratio, take the ratio of that one, okay, using the formula, so 29.8. So this is healthy. Okay? So that's Apple is very good. No? For the net profit ratio is a measure of net income with the sales. No? Example, net income is 94,943 million divided by 6 and 65,000 something. No? But the net profit is ratio is 25. So that means outstanding is very healthy. No? So what is ROA, return of assets? Now, this is a measure of investments. No? So before return of investment, now ROA, return on assets. So company usually invest a certain amount, and then on the first, second, third year is losses. No? But on the succeeding year, it will be payback. So that's ROA. So let's have net income, 94 million, total assets, 124,000 million plus. So ROA is 29.2% or around 30%. This is okay. That means it's making. And then when ROA starts positive, it will become positive and then getting more and more. Then the company will become a profitable cash machine. Return on equity, so is a measure of net income, total shareholders equity. Example, a net income 94 million, total shares equity 325 million plus. So ROE is 42%. So that's healthy. Okay. Accounting standards that's defined by that. Okay, so now let's talk about liquidity. So liquidity refers to the cash that the company have to sustain its operation. So liquidity ratio measures a company's ability to pay its short-term debt and obligation. So we have the current ratio, some measure of current assets with the current liabilities. Example, current assets is 134 million, current liabilities 77. So the current ratio is 1.73. So that's somewhat a little bit okay, but not that much. Okay. So but still uh, how do you find it? Current assets by the liabilities. If it is equal to 1, that means company is alarming. So that means in the verge of collapse. No? If it is exactly 1.0. But 1.73 is something else. No? 1.33 is something a little bit acceptable. No? That's the measure of CPK, no, in the process capability. But 1.73 is more than enough. 1.33 So that means that this is okay, no? So it's just correlation on the statistical, okay, with the financial. So that's my opinion. Okay? But that's okay. So quick ratio asset test, no? So current assets to the inventory. So measure of that one. Okay? So we have current assets, inventory, certain period, no? So current liability is 177 million. So the quick ratio is 1.63. Somewhat a little bit okay, no? So we have current assets, inventory, by formula. That means the asset is still strong. But when the inventory is, it will become zero, right? When the assets gets diminished. So this has different situation. So cash ratio is a measure of cash and of equivalence to current liabilities. So we have the formula that okay. So we have given cash equivalents of 34,000 million. Current liabilities 77,000 million. So the cash ratio is 0.45. So what does it mean? Is it good? So this is a ratio, no, of cash and liabilities. So that means that's not good sometimes. No? So that is less than one. No? So somewhat alarming, but not getting zero. Zero is the culmination. Is the when it becomes zero, that is let's close the shop. Sometimes. No? So but 0.45 is something else. No? That means yeah, because there's a hash that represents the 0.45 to the line. Okay, accounting standards that is from this one, Apple report FASB. So that one. So we will continue next meeting on the next segment of discussion of this important ratio. Thank you for having me. If you have some question, you can send me in the WhatsApp. Okay, bye bye.